Hello friends, welcome to the CAD Power tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from Design Sense. So today we are going to learn about next part of the cp_dwg set command. This is our third part for this command. In the previous parts we learned about the display settings, other settings. So today we are going to learn about these settings. Here next option is the .bak file management. This is very important option. So I will create a separate video on it with the details. So now next option is the template file. And here you can see the name of the current selected template file in the drawing. Also we can change the template file from this option. Now next option is the auto save time. This is the most important option. We can set the time for the auto save from here. Currently it's set on the 60 minutes. We can change it into the 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes it will automatically save our drawings, so we can set the auto save time from here. And after then next option is the right click duration. This is the duration for the right click menu. If I am going to right click here, then it will pop up the right click menu. So how much time it will take, this all depend on these settings. And here we can change the right click duration. So it is by default set on the 100 ms. So this is our minimum value which we can set. Now next option is the background color. We can change the model space background color from here. So we need to click here and select the colors. Also we can change the paper space background color from here. We need to enable these options. And now next option is the angle control. We can control the direction of the angle from here. We can change the angle 0 direction, east, north, west, south, whatever we need. We can change it from here. Now next option is unit shape format. This is most useful option. In this option, as you can see, we have the first option, drawing unit. We can change the drawing unit directly from here. So it is showing the current drawing unit, which is the metric. If we use the meters, centimeters, units in the drawing, so we can set it on the metric. If we need the feet, inches, then we can change the drawing unit to the imperial. So we can set the drawing unit from here. Now next option is the insertion unit. This is very important option. Many time what happen, if we copy the object from the one drawing to another drawing, the scale of the object will be different from the other drawing. For that solution we need to set the insertion unit same in the both drawing. So we can set it from here. If in the first drawing if we set the insertion unit inches, then in the next drawing we need to set the insertion unit also inches. So like this we can set the insertion unit. Next option is the dimension unit primary. We can change the dimension unit directly from here. Scientific, decimal, engineering, whatever dimension unit we need, we can change it from here. Now next option is the save format. Currently it is set on the DWG 2018. What this means, it will save the old drawings in the DWG 2018 drawing format. So we can change the default drawing format from here. If we want to save the old drawing in the DWG 2013, we can set it from here. This will set as default. Okay. So like this we can change the save format. And this is our clipboard drawing format. If we copy the object from the one drawing to another drawing, then we can also change the drawing format for the copied object from here. So this is currently set on the DWG 2018. For example, if you have the drawing which is created in the 2018 and now next drawing is created into the 2013, then you can change the clipboard drawing format from DWG 2018 to 2013. Now next option is the startup option. If your startup box is not showing where we select the drafting modeling, then you can change this setting, startup option. Here you need to select the display the start page. Then the startup box will appear again. Now next option is the selection prompt. Here you can see we have the currently set it on the do not display. I am going to set it on the display at the top right. And now click OK. Now I am going to open the pedit command, pedit, enter. Now you can see our selection prompt window will appear here. Also, if I am going to select the entity, then you can see all the sub commands which are showing here is also showing here. This is our selection prompt window. So we can easily hide or show it from the drawing settings. And here if you don't want the selection prompt window, then you can select the do not display option. Okay. Now next option is the more settings. In this settings you can see first option is the isometric snap. Now our cursor is like this. If I select this option, now you can see our cursor is changed into the isometric cursor. So I am going to click OK. Now you can see our cursor is the isometric cursor. If I press the F5 key, then you can see it changed the direction of the cursor as per isometric view. Like this we can enable this isometric cursor for the isometric drawings. Now again I am going to open the drawing setting window, and now I don't need it, so I am disabling it. Next option is the drag entity while move or copy. If I am going to disable this option and click OK, I am going to take the move command here, enter, select the entities, right click here, now select the base point. Now you can see our entities is not dragging from here to another location, but if I click here then it will move the targeted location. In between process which are showing the dragging the entities from one point to second point, that dragging process is not showing, then we can enable it from the drawing setting. So I am going to again open the drawing setting. Here I need to select this option and click OK, enter, select the entity, right click, first point here. Now you can see it's showing the entity during the dragging. So this option can be enabled through the drawing setting. So next option in the drawing setting is the fade controls. We can control the fade for this logged layer, reference edit, xref layers. So we can control the fade for these layers also. So for example, I'm going to click on OK, and here I am going to the home tab. In the layer panel, if I am select the 0 layer and log this layer, which objects are created in the 0 layers, you can see all objects are now faded. So we can control the faded percentage from this drawing setting. And if I change the value for the log layer percentage here, so I am going to set it on the 80. OK. Now again I am going to unlock it and again lock it. So now you can see their visibility is very low because I increase the fade percentage. So we can control the fade percentage from the drawing settings. Okay friends, like this we can use all these important settings. These are the most common Bricscat drawing settings. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our videos and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.